guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we have our first little modification for you, but before we get to that, I want to introduce you guys. This is Michael, he's my husband, so he's going to be helping us out today. We are going to be tinting the front windows, I don't know if we're going to do this yet. It depends if we have enough actual tint sheets, but I'm excited to do our first modification. We were talking about it. We were gonna go and actually like get it done somewhere, but we were like, hey, you know, why not try and learn and do it ourselves and kind of have some fun doing it. I mean, the worst that can happen is it doesn't work and we have to actually go and get it done. So we're gonna give it a shot. But before we get started, I wanted to mention Michael also has a YouTube channel, Hey Boys Garage. So you want to tell them what cars you have real quick?
Yeah, so completely different cars. Obviously she's got the Jeep. So my channel, it's pretty much this car. It's a Mercedes. It's a 2007 C230. Obviously, you know, I have videos on this car on the channel. I also have the CLK 500 as well. That's a Mercedes also. And so, you know, that car is heavily modded. You know, if you guys are into, you know, European cars as well, definitely go check out the channel. And, you know, if you're liking the content, you can subscribe as well and then keep up with, you know, both channels actually. Yeah,
keep up with what we're doing. So we are gonna go ahead and just jump right into this first modification. Actually, one more thing before we jump in. I wanted to show you guys, I told you I was gonna get floor mats and I finally got them from my mom. So they're just rubber and they say Jeep, and I think it completely it changes the look of the interior for me. It makes it look more updated.
Yeah, it looks pretty nice.
It looks really nice.
Versus the other ones you have. Where are they?
They're just gray. Yeah, they're in there.
Yeah, versus these right here.
Yeah, so this was like a before and then now. So they just look much better, more, you know, protects the carpet from actually like water and rain and everything like that. So all right, let's jump into this tint. Okay, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what we are using today. So we got this window tint application kit from O'Reilly. I think it was maybe like around $15-ish. So it's got the solution, a razor blade, a lint-free cloth, and a squeegee type thing. And then we got this tint from Walmart. We're gonna be doing 20%. This was maybe like $19, $20, something like that. This is supposed to be heat resistant, and you know, just make the front of the car not a fishbowl anymore. So
yeah, because you know, you can't be rocking the two-tone, you know, tint right here. And,
yeah, I think that this level of tint is pretty good.
Yeah,
it's kind of hard to tell. You can see my reflection. But
maybe that's, I'm gonna say that's like a 20%?
20, 15, maybe something like that.
No, not 15. Probably like a 20%. This is darker over here.
Yeah.
This is that one.
So we'll see. I'm gonna leave that for now and see how it looks against the 20% on the front, and we'll go from there. Okay, guys. So we've opened up the tint, and the first step is to kind of just roll out the tint and lay it over the window, so you know how much of it you need to actually cut. So. Let me get it into the crease here. So you just want to have a couple of inches excess on each side in the window. So I think that looks like a good size. You think so?
Yeah, I think that looks pretty good.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this right here. I took a Sharpie and I marked on this side because that would be really hard to cut in there. So I took a Sharpie and we'll cut that last. First I'm going to take and I'm going to cut exactly in this crease here. And I'm going to leave about an inch at the top and an inch at the bottom. this the...
Yeah, you roll the window down. Oh! Oh, we forgot to lift it up. Dang it.
So we cut out, we have the perfect shape of the window, and now we're going to use a blow dryer. Heat gun would work as well, and we're just going to heat shrink the bottom of it to the shape of the window. And we sprayed water, so we're going to use the heat and just squeegee it out. You don't want to leave the heat on too high or else you'll burn the tint, and then you'll have to start over.
I guess it's more like a, what you call it? Like a, yeah, just grind your teeth together. I mean, you'll feel it kind of come off of it, but then that's when, like, you would have to use your hand and take it off. Guys, I guess this is the annoying part. Taking out the protective film. Where is it? Perfect. I think that's good enough,
right? It's locked.
It's locked? Okay. Guys, apparently the door locked. Oh, we don't have to put it in and we can just like cut it. You want to spray the inside real quick? I can't remember if do you have to roll it up?
No, you do the top first.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's right.
Okay, so we gotta do this opposite.
Make sure you get a lot of water in there so it moves around a lot. Oh, it moves pretty good. You good then?
Where's the squeegee?
Is it on top of the car?
Okay.
Make sure you line it up perfectly first before even using the squeegee. Every corner. perfect on each edge. Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good. Squeegee it down, like real good. Yeah, you can do that. Make sure you get this side perfectly before you take all the water from the other side.
A couple of hours, and that took way longer than I think both Michael and I expected it to take. And it's not perfect. I don't know, we'll see. I need to let it sit out in the sun and let some of the bubbles come out. But I think for doing it at home, it's pretty good. I want to show it to you guys from far away so you can see how it actually looks with the windows tinted sitting right behind you guys right now. So here it is. So it completely changed the look of the Jeep, and I actually really like it with the windows tinted. But like I said, it has a few bubbles. The driver's side is a little bit worse than the passenger side. We have some imperfections here, and it kind of got creased up here. I think we had a little bit too much film here. But overall, I also think there's just a little bit too much excess water in here, so we're gonna see if the sun will kind of dry it out and help the bubbles go away. But overall, I think it turned out really great for never having done it before. This side is awesome, actually. Michael was able to get pretty much all of the bubbles imperfections out of this side. But for doing it myself and, you know, never having done tint before, I think it turned out really great. So I'm excited to see on the driver's side if more of the bubbles actually do come out, or if I need to just redo it. I'll let you guys know how it turns out. But if you're liking the content, make sure you stay tuned and subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And let me know what you guys think of the DIY tint, or would you prefer to just go and get it done somewhere, or would you actually be interested in doing it yourself? Let me know in the comments down below. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.